Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create pin on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a pin on Pinterest is a straightforward process. You can create pins by uploading your own content or by using content from the web, alright? Now, please do note that pins can be discovered through the Pinterest search and recommendations algorithms, increasing the visibility of your content to a broader audience. A well-crafted pins attract engagement such as repins, likes, and comments, further amplifying the reach because pins with links to your websites or blog can drive traffic, leading to more visitors and potential conversions. You can also share blogs, posts, product pages, or other valuable content to attract and direct users to your site. Now, I have a specific pin here, and if you wanted to create your pin, all right, especially here on the Pinterest and mobile app, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the Pinterest app so you get to utilize all the tools and platforms. You see, there's an option that says add, and of course, just click on the create pin. All right, and from here, just choose any pin that you wanted and click on save. All right. Now, the next option is that you see there's a plus icon at the home page of the Pinterest app. All you're gonna do is click on plus button here and start creating a pin. All right, we have a separate video on how to create a board, but there's you might want to check on our channel. But click on the create a pin, and from it choose the picture that you wanted and just post it. All right, and once you're happy with it, you would be able to see your pin created on the section here on the created, all right, and the save one. Now, by creating and sharing pins on Pinterest, you can effectively promote content, engage with your audience, and achieve a range of personal and business objectives, enhancing both visibility and impact. If in case you encounter any problem along the way creating your pin on Pinterest, just go to the settings and go to the help center and ask one of the Pinterest help center support staff that you are having problems creating your pin on Pinterest. All right, they could give you an insight and troubleshooting step on how to potentially solve the issue. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.